Hello friends, and welcome to another fantastic listing at 1421 North Hampton Avenue. You're gonna love this place. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,500 square foot home, and everything has been touched. We're talking roof, new. Windows, new. Electrical plumbing, taken care of, brand new. Kitchen, updated. Bathrooms, updated and gorgeous. Even the hardwood floors have been refinished for you to enjoy. Located just south of Lou Gardens, this home has over 30 4-star restaurants within just a 5 to 7 minute drive. You want to go to downtown Orlando? No big deal. You're within 10 to 15 minutes away. Need to hop on a plane and head out of town? You're less than 30 minutes away from the Orlando International Airport. There is so much for you to enjoy in this home and location. Come on in, follow me, let's take a look together. Well friends, thank you so much for checking out this listing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. This home has an extra special feature that I wanted to tell you about now, which is this spacious lot. These lots are hard to come by, and even though you're right here in the downtown Orlando area, this backyard has been inspired by Lou Gardens with many different types of plants and vegetation. Let me know in the comments below, because I don't know all the names of them. What are the names of some of these plants that you've noticed, and which one is your favorite? Also tell me, what was your favorite update done to the home? Was it that gorgeous kitchen? I'm gonna have to say I love the kitchen and I really love this backyard. My family would enjoy spending quality time out here. Look forward to talking to you. Share with your friends. We'll be in touch soon.